Assalamu alaikum students. Standard 5th. Subject English. Topic number 17. WH questions. Students, let us read these sentences. So first is, who is your sister? Next, what is the name of your school? Next, where is your school located? Then, when did you get up? And next, how do you go to school? So students, as we can see, generally questions begin with the word who, what, where, when, how, and many more, right? So, these words are called question words. What are they called? They are called question words. So now let us look at some example. So see here, what asks for the information, right? What shall I keep in these bags? So here, what asks for information. Then when? So when will we board the flight? So here when refers to time. Then here it is what? Where will you stay tonight? So where refers to what? Where refers to place. That where will you stay tonight? So as we can see here, who ask about person, that is who is that woman. Then your where asking in or at what place or position. So for example, where do you live? Where are my boots? Then next is when. So asking about time, occasion, moment. So for example, when can I see you? When did you last see him? Right? Then why? Asking for a reason, explanation. That is, for example, why are you late? Why was he late? Right? Then next comes what? What? This is what? Asking for a specific thing, object. For example, what's the matter or what time is it? Then next, how? So asking for a way, manner, form. That is, how does it work? How do you go to school? Then which? That is asking about choice. For example, which is better exercise, swimming or tennis? Then which of the applicant has got the job? So these are the examples. Then how many? So asking about quantity used with countable nouns. For example, how many people were there? Then how often? So asking about frequency. For example, how often do you go swimming? So these are some of the example. Next, form questions for these answers. So first is, my name is Rani. So what can be the question for the students? It will be, what is your name? Right? So if you will ask what is your name, then the answer will be what? My name is Rani. So here the answer is given and we have to form the question. So we have made what is your name and then question mark. The next, my hobby is to read books. So we can write what is your hobby? Then question mark. Next, mother is making rice. So we will form question how? We will write what is your mother cooking? Next, I kept the box in the shelf. So how we can form the question, student? We can form in this way, that is, where have you kept the box? And then question mark. Next, I am studying upstairs. So here it will be what? It will be where are you studying? Next, my favorite color is blue. So the question will be what, student? The question will be what is your favorite color and then question mark. Next, father works for an NGO. So now we have to form question for this answer. So the question will be, where does your father do for a living? Next, H, it is 8 o'clock now. So the question will be, what is the time? And then question mark. Next, I live in Park Street. So what will be the question, student? The question will be, where do you live? And then question mark. Now let us read these set of sentences. So here it is given, the children are happy. And here it is written, the children are happy, aren't they? Question mark. Then next is, Rita is sad today. And here Rita is sad today, isn't she? Question mark. So students, as we can see here, by adding the phrases aren't they and isn't she, we have changed these sentences into questions, right? By adding these phrases, that is aren't they and isn't she, we have changed what? We have changed these sentences into questions. And so, it is common while speaking to make a statement and ask for confirmation. So, the phrases aren't they and isn't she are called question tags. What are they called? They are called question tags. Fill in the blanks with suitable question tags. So now students, we have to fill in the blank with suitable question tags. So here, A, the carpenters haven't reported for work. So here what will be the question tag? The question tag will be have they and then question mark. Next, B, Mohan has bought 3 gifts. So here, as we can see, this is Mohan. So, and here it is what? It is has. So what we'll write? We'll write hasn't he. Why? Because here this is a male and for male we use he. So hasn't he. Next, see, the committee was firm in its decision. So here it will be what? It will be wasn't it. Right? So the committee was firm in its decision. Wasn't it? And then question mark. Next, D, the boys weren't noisy. So here what will be the question tag? The question tag will be were they and we'll put a question mark. So were they. Next, E, the frogs were croaking. So here what will be the question tag? The question tag will be weren't they and then question mark. So the frogs were croaking, weren't they. F, the old woman wasn't hungry. So here it will be what? It will be was she. Right? Because here it is old woman. So was she and then question mark. Next, the jugglers have promised to perform. So here the question tag will be haven't they. So it will be what? The jugglers have promised to perform. Haven't they? Then next, H, those aren't expensive. And here it will be what? It will be are they. I, the dog is barking. So here it will be what, students? It will be isn't it? Question mark. Next, he isn't willing to do it. So here it will be what? It will be is he? Question mark. So it will be how? He isn't willing to do it. Is he? Then next, I am not stingy. So here it will be what? It will be am I? And then question mark. Next, they weren't allowed to meet the chief guest. So here it will be were they question mark. Next, we are going to Pune. So here it will be what? It will be aren't we question mark. And then the last one, you will come to school tomorrow. So it will be what? It will be won't you question mark.